When potential clients call and ask you, how long will the personal injury case take, what do you say?
That's always a tough question to answer, but it is an important question. All clients want to know how long their case is going to take. We look at certain things, their injury, we look at where the accident happened, and we look at some of the other factors that may be involved with their case to try to give them a picture of how long the case will take from start to finish.
Well, do most cases settle or do most cases go to court in the personal injury field?
Excellent question, because that's exactly what determines how a lot of our cases are going to proceed. The majority of our cases settle, the vast majority of the cases settle, and the cases that can settle usually happen quicker than the cases that ultimately need to go to trial.
Do cases, when you say go to trial, do they never settle before a jury trial, or do some of them settle after the lawsuit's filed but before a trial?
Again, good question. The case can settle all the way up to and even through the jury trial, and that does happen. A lot of our cases will settle within that first 6-month period if those are settling without the need for filing a lawsuit. Other cases will settle after the lawsuit has been filed, but sometimes before we actually do the jury trial. There's a long period called discovery, at which point the defendant asks questions for our plaintiff, and our plaintiff gets to ask questions of the defendant, and we determine what's going to happen in the case. And cases will routinely settle after some discovery has been done.
Well, what about exact time frames? Clients want to pin you down on, will it take a few months? Will it take a few years? What can you say to that?
I would say that as a general proposition, all cases being different, cases that settle without the need for litigation will generally settle in about 6 months. Cases that have to be litigated or taken to trial might settle from anywhere from a year to 2 years after the case has actually been filed, because the litigation process can be lengthy.
Thank you.
If you or someone you know has suffered a serious personal injury, please feel free to contact us by going to our website or calling us at our 1-800 number. We'll be happy to help.